Hello and welcome to my channel RJ Pandey. Today I'm going to show you how you can make money as a freelancer on Fiverr. You know, I learned the technique from the affiliate marketing and I converted as a freelancer. So in this video, let me show you how you can make money with as a freelancer with Fiverr. If you are new here, my channel is all about how to make money online. I just make some videos how you can make money with the different websites or affiliate marketing or Amazon or like this is all the onlines, and I'm doing for almost 2 years and I had a great results, and I'm gonna show you also how you can achieve your goal with the online business. So be with me, watch this video till end and you'll get something, I promise to you. So you can see that this is my Fiverr gig. My earning is I'm not much active, but I'm saying to you, you can literally put something on the Fiverr and literally you can make money with that. So this is my net income is $52, and I'm not a freelancer, but I'm the affiliate marketer and I had the great result with different programs. So but I'm showing to you guys, if you don't have any skills, I can teach you something where you can offer something on the Fiverr and literally you can make money with the Fiverr and sitting at home, work from home, just give him like a half an hour, 1 hour every day and you can literally learn. All right, so I learned from this called Brahmila method. Brahmila method is risk nothing and earn everything. I think it's $97 and I will put the link down below. So in this Brambila method, like a U $97 is like a literally, nothing. Like a you are going to learn a lot of things here. So let me explain you what is there in the Brambila method and what you're gonna learn here. Alright guys, so the first thing you can see the introduction with the Brambila method. You'll get some introduction here, small videos about the Adrian, and Adrian is gonna tell you how he become a millionaire, and his name is Adrian Brambila, and he's gonna do all the introduction and everything, and you're gonna know about him, how the online business, how he was a dancer, how he was making a 27,000 year, and then how he become a millionaire in like a 8 9 10 years journey. All right, so on the introduction, after that you're gonna see that this thing, selling your creativity through the service on Fiverr. The first thing I learned something from here. I didn't have any talent, but I learned something from here. And once you click it here, uh, overview and strategy, you're gonna learn it here. And this is like a step-by-step training where he is going to explain you. And the Alex, she is like Alex, that you can see that this girl pictures, she's Alex and she is making like a more than uh, thousands of dollars on the Fiverr since like she quit her job also. So she is going to tell you, and Adrian, he is going to tell you all the strategy, proof of concept with the tactics. So the second you want to learn about all the tactics and everything, and you can celebrity girls, she gonna tell you like how she make how she quit her job and her story, and how you can make money with, and see the over 7 figure made on Fiverr. And her she's Alex, and you can look for on the YouTube also. Excuse me. um so this is you are not going to anywhere. All right, if you want to spend it some money, you can learn with the Fiverr how you gonna sell something on the Fiverr. All right, after that he had mindset. See, the mindset is everything in online business. You have to come with a different mindset. You have to give a time, effort and money. This is the online business. That's why we call business cost money. You have to invest yourself, learn the skill, and then you're gonna make money, right? So Mindset, you have to clear the mindset. If you want to clear the mindset, start reading the books, start reading the books, change your mindset, then come to the online business. It's not like a 1 month 2 month you just join the program or something and then boom you become millionaire. No, it takes time and effort. You have to learn the skills and same day you have to implement it, otherwise you'll forget it everything. All right. And the second thing, what you have, sell your knowledge with the course of marketplace. So the marketplace is, you can literally create the course on what is that called, the Skillshare and the Udemy, and whatever you have the knowledge. If you don't have the any knowledge, you learn from something from the YouTube or this program, and they're gonna tell you, and they have all the live things, everything on the Facebook. Also, you can see that 3.3 member. It's like a June last year, June. They launched this program, and look at this. They have the 3.3 um, people. And Adrian, he's really good, and he has the van life and everything. The people, they are much active here, and people, they are making money here. So you can see that everything here, like people, they are just posting their results. And once you join this program, and it's not like a the only money you have. So yep. And this is what you're gonna learn here on the second and the third day is the high ticket Upwork. Say about the Upwork, the case study, how the people they are working, the strategy and tactics and walkthrough you're gonna learn here. And video length of and download the action plan and everything is there, guys. This is the full of, as a beginner, just you jump on, learn from here. You don't have to go anywhere. All right, I will highly suggest you. And how I made money, I will show you also. All right. So this is, I'm just telling you what he is serving in this $97. All right. Sell your ideas with the merch on the Amazon merch without inventory also. So this is about the Amazon merch, like without any inventory. You have the, I mean, you're gonna learn it. And after that, guess what, you're gonna learn about the affiliate marketing, tactics and walkthrough. And if you want to more deep, the Casa de Brambilla is a paid ads where people they spend $1,000. He gonna literally, it's the 8 hours training, a full day training, and he gonna teach you about how you can with the paid ads, how you can make money with the paid ads also. But you don't have to, first you have to apply this tactics, make some money. Once you feel that okay, this thing is gonna work, and then you come and join the Casa de Brambilla. All right. And again, about the organic affiliate marketing, how you can leverage data creativity to make the passive income. All right. Okay. This is all the traffic source, how you can leverage different of the traffic source, the YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Google, how you can leverage this all the traffic. And for your affiliate things and everything. So you're gonna learn a lot of things. You can make money with the website, you can make money with the affiliate marketing. And then guess what he has, day 8 something is there, unlocked master plan financial freedom. So financial freedom, you're gonna learn about like how you can be a financially free. And the affiliate marketing quick start guide, and here you can literally what to expect, how, I mean, you can grab the domain from the needs. I mean, literally is the step by step videos is there. You just click it, go to the namecheap.com and get the domain, and he has the videos.
Hey, welcome back to the.
All right, so he's gonna show you all the how you gonna get it, these things, all everything. All right. So he has all the tech setup, ClickFunnels setup, ClickFunnels domain integration, convert kit setup and click funnels integration. Write your first email automation. How you can write your email automation, affiliate funnels construction. Whew, there's a lot. There's a lot, guys. This is the information. You don't have to go anywhere. Like this cap is like you can risk nothing and earn everything. So you don't have the risk. After that, you just learn from here. And the affiliate website construction and everything, how you can create the website, you can learn, guys. The people, they charge a lot of money. And all the live calls, so Adrian and like a Fiverr live training replay, so they have this Facebook, this group. What's happening here, I don't know. So he has a Facebook group, and let me cancel this one. Here the Facebook group, and they go live like a 7 days live. First day they're gonna talk about the fiber, second day they're gonna talk about Udemy mini course, and the third day high ticket retainers, 4 day print on demand, 5 days your traffic and everything, 6 days the strategic content creation live training, and 7 are bringing all together live training, and you can ask anything whatever you want. They have the group coaching call, they have everything what you need in your life. Everything is here to get success. All right. And bonus is the bonus. Also you have the affiliate bootcamp and the 7-figure agency masterclass. Whew. So you have all this course here, guys, and this is like the training Q4 training. I did that, and then this is the incredible is the Q4 training, how you can sell a lot of product during the Christmas, during the holidays. It's really good training. And now I'm going to tell you what I did to make them. I didn't apply everything, I just applied everything. I had a good results. All right. So what I did, I my gig is on the where, let's see, my gig on the Fiverr is like how to make a landing page with get response. All right. So my gig is not like create a responsive get response landing page with the get response and land and the click funnels. Okay. So I just create the responsive get response landing page. You can learn free from anywhere and put it this gig on. See the impression and click one order. So you can see that this is my gig, and a lot of people. So this is my gig. Create a responsive get response landing page and click funnels, and how you can leverage these things. So go to my YouTube, and my YouTube name is RJ Pandey. um, this is my channel, RJ Pandey. Just I hit the 1,000 subscriber. Thank you for being a loyal subscriber. And then just scroll all the way down, and then you'll see how do I create a landing page in the get response. So you watch these videos, learn it, and go to the get response. Just Google it, the get response. um, and that is literally free, guys. See the get response, it's literally free to sign up. Okay, go ahead, learn it. It's try us for free. All right, this is the free program, unlimited contact, blah blah thing. So it's literally free, and I already they have all the trainings. And go to the Fiverr and put it your gig, create the gig, or like you can literally go to the dashboard and create some gig. How to create the gig here, the create a new gig, just click it, go step by step. They already show in this training how you can um, step by step. The training is there, like a selling on the Fiverr. uh, Follow this training, and you have to create like at least 30 gigs or something, all the action plan, download it and go from there. I did that myself, and you can create the new gig and start making money, guys. I know it's a little bit takes time, but look at this. I mean, this is my the earning, and earning is not going to lie, you know. So I make the $54. I mean, if you are there somewhere in every world, this is free tips and tricks I'm telling you. Just learn how do I create a landing page. Okay, go to the Fiverr, create the gig like me, and $52, boom. All right, pending clearance and available to withdraw and blah blah things, you know, and you just make money, guys, you know. It's nothing hard, but just you don't know how to make money. And I do the affiliate marketing also, and I do the freelancing also. I sell something from Amazon also. So see, the passive income we need in our life. One income is not enough. We need a passive income. All right, so passive income is important. If I lost my job, I know I have the talent. I mean, you know, I have talent. I can go through and I can survive it. And this affiliate marketing and this freelancing stuff, I start learning on this COVID happened, and that's how I start learning, you know. And just scroll it, you're gonna get like a lot of things here, you know, like a Facebook affiliate marketing. You just scroll it and you'll get a lot of values here. All right, just go ahead, guys, do it, you know. And if you guys need any help, just connect me on the Facebook. If you are on the watching me YouTube, just go to the Facebook and click it, and it will take you on the Facebook, and on the messenger just message me. All right, or I'm there on the TikTok and Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Here's RJ Pandey. Just, you know, just go for that. All right, and if you guys need any help, then I'm always there to help you guys. All right, so um, if you like my videos, hit the thumbs up and comment down below how is videos, and if you stuck somewhere, please text me or call me, or you know, so I will definitely help you guys. All right, so in this videos, that's it. I will see you in the next videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next videos. Bye for now.